HiepIT, and today I will continue with the series to solve Google Onsite interview problem on Leetcode with the mock assessment feature. So when I click the start button here, it will random one problem set among existing problem set. Okay, given two string s and t, determine if they are isomorphic. Two string are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get T, or occurrences of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of the characters. If no two character may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself. Okay, so isomorphic, how to pronounce?
Isomorphic.
Isomorphic. Okay, isomorphic. This one. How about that? I normalize like this one. I convert it into this. I will convert it into okay, we'll have a function like normalize string s. So I will convert it. It's a mapping for C in S if next character 8. Okay, so if C not in mapping, then mapping of C will be the next character, and the next character will be equal to order of this one plus what one, and convert into the chair. Yes, and this one we append with the mapping of a C. We join it into the string. Yes, just return normalize s equal to normalize t. Yes. Okay, so time complexity of this problem will be ends here, and space complexity will be this one, the map being up to 26, but the answer here will be the length of string. Yes, so this is solution 1. Can we do is better compared to solution 1? Solution 1 here, normalized string. Can we do better than solution 1, like solution 2? Can we only use the mapping here instead of build it? Can we do that? Let's draw it to see if we have any idea or not. Okay, so E here we map what 8. Here I map what G. Here I map what B. Yes, we don't build it, but we map it. Don't build string, just mapping and compare. So C1 C2 in zip of st. Next chair 1 go to a mapping 1 next chair 2 mapping 2. Okay, so if C1 not in mapping, then mapping of C1 mapping 1 of C1 will equal to next chair of this one will equal to, or this one plus 1 convert into the chair. If C2 not in mapping 2 C2 equal to next chair 2 next chair 2 equal to chair of this one plus 1. All I need to do is that I return if map of this one different to this one, then false. That's one return 2. Yes, I don't need to normalize like this. I normalize, but I don't build this string. Yes. So time complexity will be O(n), where n is the length of the string, but the space complexity view this one view up to 26. So this is O1. Okay, sound good. Let's move to the next question. There is an exam room with n seat in a single row, label from 0 to n-1. When a student enter the room, they must sit in the seat that maximize the distance to the closest person. If there are multiple such seats, they sit in the seat with the lowest number. If no one is in the room, then the student sit as 0. Inside class, simulate the mentioned exam room. Implement exam room class. Initialize the object of exam room with the number of seat. Return the label of the seat what the next student will set. A leave indicate that student sitting at seat P will leave the room. It's a guarantee that there will be a student sitting at sit here. Okay. Not easy, huh? Not easy, I think. Not easy, huh? Okay, so it's have a 0. Have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, have this seat. So sit, no one in the room. Then student sit at 6 yellow. Okay, 0 here. Sit here. Okay. Sit here. So should maximum distance, right? Maximum distance, right? Sit here. Return the sit. Yes, they must sit in maximize the distance to the closest person. Closest person here. So it's maximize like this. Okay. And this one will return. So this one, what the distance of this one will be 4. Distance of this one will be 4. Distance of this one will be 5. 4. So if they sit here, so the distance will be 4. They sit here, the distance is also 4. So it's the same. 4 and 5 are the same. They sit with the logic number. Logic number, so this one. Okay. And then again call sit return 2, right? 2, because this is distance 2, distance 2, and this one is also distance 2. So this one, yes. So leave the 4 here, and sit, so it's return 5, because this is distance of 3. This one is also distance of 3, so this is 1. Not easy, huh? Let's check. N here is quite big, but at more N here is quite big. N here is quite big, but as more this one call to make sit and live. Okay. We just simulate it. How about that if we store it as an array? Array is 0. It's empty, return 0. If it's empty, okay, once empty, then add 0. I have an array of it. Empty, we add 0. So it's not empty, so it's not empty. Empty, so so phải cái phải distance in the middle. Find distance in middle. Okay, maybe if I have this one, then this is the distance in middle. This one, distance in the middle. Okay, and distance in the last one and in the first one. Okay, in case it's in case of this is only one here, so this one should be the distance here should be 1. Distance here should be 1. Yes, here the distance should be 1. So the distance in the beginning should be that index. Otherwise, in the right side should be like 8. So it should be n minus 1, so minus index. Yes. Otherwise, in the middle, it should be divided by 2. Yes, let's do that. It should be a static one. Sit if len up, if not cell dot subject sit cell dot subject sit doc append with 0 equal append with 0. Okay, and return 0. It's empty, return 0. Otherwise, the first will be the distance equal to the index. Will be the statistic of 0. Yes. This is the first distance. I need to find the minimum distance. So minimum distance will be maximum distance will be 0, and the answer will be 1 okay. This one, so if this is greater than mass this equal to this, answer equal to 0. We assign it to 0. First set 0. A1 size set 0. Size set 0. Okay. K2 assign in middle sets. Look from one into length of h1. Distance will be the dash one this one of this one minus what this one this divided by 2. This one divided by 2, right? So divided by 2, like this one is 3, so it's divided by 2. Okay, so yep, this here is greater than mass this, then mass this equal to this, answer equal to I. Okay, size sit n minus 1 so I need to store n. This equal to n minus 1 minus what the last one. Yes, if this greater than mass this equal to this, answer equal to n minus 1. Okay. I need to do it this one. Inshot and shock. Inshot and shock. The answer here. Return answer here. I'll leave so chat. Remove it. Chat remove. Remove op p here. Op is will work. So doc and here. So doc and insert. Don't have insert. Really. We bisect. Insert. Insert. Don't have it in the list really. Remove is just remove. Element, yes. Why it doesn't exist? What? Remove for is incorrect. It's incorrect. Incorrect. What wrong with me? The first one is 0 and 9, right? 9 is 9 because the distance will be 9, yes, and this one is 0 and this one is minus this one, so it should be 0. So it should be this one minus this one, right? When it's 0 and 9, so the distance here will be 9 divided by 2 will be 4. I will be maybe this one plus what the distance is this? Is it? Yes. Yes. Okay. So the time complexity of this will be the init will take 01 and the seed will take linear scan here ON and the left take ON and ON either this one is not ON but number added seed number added verb added add this seed will be less or equal than this one. This also like the seed here less or equal than this one. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one. Given encoded string, return is decoded string. The encoding rule is k, where inside the bracket, square brackets, it being repeated exactly k times. Know that k is guaranteed to be a positive integer. You may assume that the input string is always valid. There are no extra white space. the square bracket are well formed, etc. Furthermore, you may assume that the original data does not contain any digits, and that digits origin data doesn't contain any digits, and that digits are only for the repeat number. Okay, for example, that there will be not input like if this one should have bracket, or this one should be the character. That's generated so that the line of the output will never exceed this one. Okay, is there any nested? Is there any nested like? Yes, it can be nested. So if it's nested, so I need to proceed further inner before do it. So what I need to do is this. I need to mapping this one with this one, this one with this one. When I proceed this one, I get the number. If I make this one, I will proceed the whole this one. If make the letter, then okay. So matching flow boss loop. If c equal to this one, I have a stack dot append what I here. Oh, if c equal to this one, the close boss of the stack dot pop, the open here will equal to close here. Okay, then I have a function like dfs left to right, while left num here. Okay, if see here, if c is digit, if it digit, num will equal to num multiplied by 10 plus with num plus with the ing of c. If it's not the digit, then the answer here. If c equal to the open one, equal to the open one. If the open one, I need to proceed from this one plus one, and the close post of left close both of this minus one. Yes, open on after this one, I left equal to move to this one, the last one. So answer will append with the 10 here, multiply with the num here equal to 0, num here equal to 0, num here equal to 0. Return this one joined together with the answer here. but what happened is normal one, then should append it. Return div s of 0 to length s minus 1. This process like for this case is process like 3 and go to this one. If we solve this problem, maybe return something, and this will multiply with it. This one, append this one, then left plus 1. Yes. 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 Submit. Yes. So the time complexity of this will be this EON, and for this one div s from here. So here is process only one. The one would matter here is the multiply here, multiply string here. So it's up to it's space here, like the output and here, but look like the outputs, because we do multiply here. So the output, this one. Yes. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you. See you guys. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Bye bye.